social media accounts, Howie. I just go to my program Facebook page or whatever. Kasi to be very honest about it, you use the word complicated. Yeah, I have a very traumatic experience with social media.
Paano kaya kung nag-vote na rin si Jessica Soho? Ang launching ng pelikula ay tinimbang ka.
Unfortunately, I was one of those who, I think, sa mga naunang nabash. Remember when they launched the iPad and then some wise guy tweeted na, oh, the iPad, when Jessica Soho holds the iPad, it looks like the iPhone. So, you know, I was body shamed for that.
Nakapanaginipang kumari niyan si Jessica Soho nagpapatimbang. Nakakatawa nung nagpatimbang kami. Umakyat si Jessica Soho sa waist. Si Jessica Soho.
And then, parang ano ba ito? No, I don't know how to navigate social media at all. Hindi ko maintindihan why people are so brazen and so mean.
So ayaw niya nang magpatimbang ulit. Ang hirap nga lang kung si Jessica Soho mag-goal. Kailangan gang rape lagi.
Naghihilom daw ang lahat ng sugat, pero may mga sugat na hindi lamang matagal maghilom kung hindi nag-iiwan pa ng panghabang buhay na pilat, gaya po ng rape o panggagahasa.
Sasabihin ng rapist, ipasa ang lechon! Sasabihin naman ni Jessica, nasa ng apple!
At hindi naman lahat ng biktima handang ihayag ang hindi makataong karanasan sa madalas mapanghusga pang lipunan.